Let's take a look at the word kickoff to make it easier to understand in both everyday and business conversation. Hi, I'm Kathy and I've worked in English and information design for over 25 years. I'd like to help you with English so that it's easy to use and easy to understand. Kickoff is all about starting something. And one important use of this word for many people is in football or soccer as the kickoff starts the match or game. And we can begin other things. Let's kick off the day with a big breakfast. Or we kicked off the party by singing happy birthday. You'll see kickoff written in slightly different ways depending on the grammar and the English dialect you're speaking. And when we say it, it sounds the same. So say it in conversation without worrying how it's written. In business, one particular and common use of kickoff is having a kickoff meeting for a project or a program. If you receive an invitation to a kickoff meeting, then make sure you know why you're invited before the meeting begins. And this is because a kickoff meeting can have a wide scope. Knowing what's expected in the meeting tells you if you need to prepare beforehand. And a little preparation up front helps you to be ready to contribute at the meeting. If you are organising a kickoff meeting, remember to advise about the scope and expectations of the meeting in the invitation. One word of caution about using kickoff if you're working in healthcare, especially with mental health. Kickoff can sometimes sound a little bit aggressive. So when you are in an environment where things need to be said more gently, you might like to use "let's get started" instead. So let's recap our key points about the word kickoff. In everyday conversation, kickoff is all about starting something. For example, thanks to the popularity of football, soccer, many of us know kickoff is the start of the match. In business, look out for kickoff meetings that start a project or a program. Attend a kickoff meeting ready to contribute, could be the start of something good. And this ends my explanation to make it easier to understand the word kickoff as used in everyday and business conversation. If you found this helpful, please like this video, subscribe for more content like this, and let me know in the comments below what words you'd like to hear about. Goodbye.